for the tag team championships. I tell you what, Foundation's got a great chance here going forward. We either retain or the Rockstars of the Galaxy, you know who we are, bud, are going to take those championships.
I know exactly who you are, and I have to call this match.
Oh, yeah.
No, what is with these two morons just continuing to do? This is a wrestling match, not a pose-off, you morons.
Hey, these guys, you know, they're champions. They do what they want.
That's the problem.
I like it. Oh, here we go outside. Now we're doing a little strut off out there. I don't know what's going on.
By the way, did you see what Parsley was doing on his way to the ring? He was actually dumping crap on the fans.
I did.
He was dumping actual parsley on the fans.
There's a sign that says, pour some parsley on me. Right there it is.
Consider the source. I rest my case.
Yeah, those are dirty fans, the trash bags.
Keyword trash.
Ace Diamond running for the hills right there. He's stuck in between Mephisto and Soldier GP.
Apparently we're ringing. Are we? All right, there we go. All right.
Well, we're just going to get this one underway.
Yeah. By the way, you know what I like to refer to Mephisto as now, right? The fir tree.
Oh, okay.
He's big enough to be an oak, but he's a fir tree.
He's got that George the Animal Steel thing going on. I understand that.
No. I think George the Animal Steel had less hair.
You think? Huh.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that, but I tell you that. Rockstars of the Galaxy, baby. We're looking to get these championships here. And we're going to bring the gold.
Oh, so you want Soldier and Parsley to lose?
Well,
oh no, you know what? I'm gonna send them a clip of this because I'm sure Soldier's gonna love to hear that.
You sent him a clip. Oh my goodness! And shot right there from the Rockstars, the guitar. Wow.
What is that?
I don't know, but Ricky Romero has got the not good side of it. No, but here's what it is. Foundation, I want them to bring the titles home. Either retain or the Rockstars are crowned new champions.
Wait, what?
Whatever.
What does Soldier have?
He's got a sign. That's a yield sign.
That's like a road reflector sign.
Yeah, that's right. And God! He just killed Ace Diamond with that.
One could only hope.
Sign. Craziness. I tell you what. And now the Rockstars.
Oh, big double suplex.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, Justin Parsley with a knee of his own. All out mayhem in this triple threat tag team tables match for the IMF Tag Team Championships. This is great. This is what I like to see. Switchblades are down. All Foundation are on their feet.
Wait a second. Parsley and Soldier have got Romero up by the hair.
That's right. And they're letting some fans get some action over there, I think.
Oh, of course they are. They can't win this match on their own. They've got to get the fans involved, too.
Are you serious? And you had said nothing about Ace Diamond all night? That is crazy talk.
Okay, admittedly, Ace Diamond can't do any damage. Only thing he can do is maybe hurt your ears.
Well, what are the Rockstars doing right now? Mephisto, he's got a kendo stick in hand. He's doing some searching, looking for Freddie Daniels right there.
How many shots are we going to let this kid take?
Freddie Daniels running.
9?
But he's going to run right into Sean Jovi right there. And when the kendo stick meets, it will meet Freddie Daniels, baby. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Give him another one, boys. Oh, my goodness. I think he just broke. He just caved his chest in. And there's a kid over here using a kendo stick.
Wait, the kid just pulled out a kendo stick and handed it to Soldier.
That's right. Ricky Romero just got beat down by that kid.
Wait, they're having the kids pick the weapons out
Waldo?
of the trash can.
Where's Waldo over there just beat the shit out of Ricky Romero? And if you're the Switchblades, you want to get the hell out of this match. It is not looking good. Oh, a punch. A couple punches right there.
I've seen a feather hit harder.
Oh, now she's going to smack it with a crutch. Oh, my goodness.
Wait, what the?
Back into the ring, though. Jovi.
We're giving weapons to fans now?
He's got that paper air guitar. I don't know what that is. It's not paper. Oh, my goodness. And Jovi just got hit upside the head with that sign. And Freddie.
What is this?
Mephisto, get him. Oh, my goodness. Come on, boys. You're letting this puny, skinny Freddie Daniels. He weighs 100 pounds soaking wet. We can't let this happen here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, and there goes Parsley.
Yeah, that's what you get. Did you see that? They hand a weapon to the kid, and the kid tries to hit Romero and actually takes out Soldier. I love it.
And I tell you what, this one in the blue sweater right here, she might have just killed him. One hell of a shot. She's going to be great in Little League. And oh, my goodness.
Back first, right into the post.
Freddie Daniels, he's going to feel that all night and tomorrow. And that's what I'm talking about. Fours going up around here. Foundation country right here. What Soldier looking at? Maybe grabbing that table. He's coming Parsley.
What's interesting here? This is almost a 4-on-2 match.
Soldier just told Parsley, get the table.
They're not working together, but they're not working against each other. I hate it.
And now Mephisto watching out there. Here, they're gonna let him put the table in there.
Like I said, they're not working with each other, but they're not working against each other. This is supposed to be a triple threat match, not two teams against one.
You know what it is, my man. All right. When it comes time.
This is a glorified handicap match.
Don't worry about that.
More foundation spin.
You just don't worry about it.
Call it like you see it, Donnie.
I am. Foundation's kicking ass.
I rest my case.
That's what I'm talking about.
Foundation spin.
There you go, Mephisto. Great job there. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Or a sign of respect. If you know what that means, Jordan Crawley.
Look,
oh my
you got
goodness.
all 4 guys in the ring. None of them are attacking each other.
Freddie's low blowing everybody.
Good job, Freddie.
Wow. He just had a ball bonanza. I don't know what the hell's going on here.
Good job, Freddie.
Ridiculous. You see the levels this guy stoops to?
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's 4-on-2. You know what? Let him get away. You know what? It's not even 4-on-2. It's 40-on-2.
Nonetheless, it is legal. I can't say nothing about it, but.
All right, then shut up.
And now the Switchblades trying to get in where they fit in. Rick Romero and Freddie Daniels attacking Sean Jovi now.
Yeah, Jovi tried to fight back and
having a chop
is
off.
now paying the price.
That's right. Jovi's going down. And now Freddie Daniels picking up Parsley here. Looks like they're going to chop him a little bit here.
Oh, of course, and now Soldier's got a chair.
You're damn right, Soldier.
Oh, see, that's what you get when you put it down.
And Ricky almost looked like he was about to smack Freddie. He didn't know where the hell he was at. And now Ricky Romero smacking everybody in sight. Besides his tag team partner, of course. He passes the chair out to Freddie now. Oh my goodness. Big chair shot right there for Freddie Daniels, the Soldier GP. Soldier's down. But the Rockstars.
Wait. Can you say that for me one more time, please?
I said Soldier's down.
Yes!
But the Rockstars are on their feet, baby.
Boo.
Yeah, boo my ass. Oh my goodness. Huge knee from Justin Parsley.
I don't want anything to do with your ass.
You better watch your shit over there, pal. You mean to tell me you're going for the Switchblades?
Well, I'm certainly not going for the other 2 schmucks.
There's 4.
2 teams.
Oh, okay.
Figure it out.
Okay.
God, see, I gotta spell everything out.
You didn't even spell that out. You didn't spell nothing there. Oh, here we go now. The Rockstars. Oh, a little tag team action right there. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm allergic to BS. That's why I just sneezed.
Ricky Romero just took a ride, and that was no BS, I'll tell you that. All 600, what'd you say, 610 pounds?
Yeah, like I said, I think they undersold that a little bit.
Oh, huge European uppercut from Soldier GP over there. Followed up by a nice super kick from Justin Parsley. All the while, Sean Jovi, he's got Ricky Romero. If he puts him through that damn table, that's it.
Romero fights out of it. Mephisto tried to get up and help him, but couldn't do it.
Big splash right there by Romero. Stomping Jovi in the corner. Mephisto, we need your help, brother. And now Soldier bringing Freddie Daniels back in the ring. Mephisto.
Oh, right to the back of the head.
You ever heard of ding dong ditch? That's what my man Parsley just did, bud. Nice shot to the back of the head right there by Parsley. I commend that. I respect that. And now, what's going to happen here now?
Like I said, look at this. This is supposed to be a triple threat match.
Well,
not two teams on one. This is not a glorified tag team handicap match.
I think it's coming down to the point where they're going to have to make a decision here, obviously.
This decision should have been made before the match started.
Oh, and Ace Diamond just got hit with a road sign again.
I hope he stays down.
Oh, hold on here. Mephisto now.
In a second.
What I tell you, pal. We know.
Hey, you know you've heard me say it before, Donnie, but here it comes.
Oh, my
I
goodness.
see some cracks in the foundation.
Parsley right there with a cold breaker to Sean Jovi. And Mephisto, oh, he was gonna get my tour right through that table, but Soldier flips over the table, then Soldier, oh my God!
It's the stunner!
Right to Mephisto. All hell's breaking loose here now. Rick Romero getting right back on.
Hard left hands there by Romero.
This is ridiculous. Come on, boys. We can't let these slimy, stinky, from the other side of the track bastards come out here with this rat fuck Ace Diamond. And then,
wow, tell us how you really feel.
I hate him.
Wow.
They should have stayed on the other side of the tracks. Nonetheless, table being set up here.
Hey, I just want to hear you say it.
From Freddie Daniels.
Your four foundation flubs are all working together.
Mephisto's back on his feet, pal, and Jovi is too.
Mephisto helping Jovi to his feet, and a hard super kick to Romero.
That's right, Switchblades kind of waited for them to come to them, and then, you know, that was the mistake they had right there. And uh-oh, what's going to happen right here? Mephisto and Jovi. Looks like they're going to do some finisher.
Oh, low blow by Parsley.
They had him ready.
Right in the chestnuts.
Then Jovi gets a shot in the chestnuts as well. It's not quite the season.
That's a beautiful sight.
Jeez.
Couldn't have happened to nicer guys.
Come on, boys.
Wait. What is this?
I don't know. Ace Diamond, he must have drank a 5-hour energy. He's back on his feet. And what's this? Parsley. Pick it up. Oh, my God.
Oh, my God.
And that's over. It's over.